Hey, welcome back. Today is April 4th, Sunday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into the graph token, GRT, USD, and see what is going on in here, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 US. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Today, we have Bitcoin dominance down about 1% today. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up over 1%. Total altcoin market cap up almost 4%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I will usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Now, on the weekly time frame here, I said it's been my focus because we are now reaching that 58% level, which was the last low here on the weekly time frame. And I'm saying that this is a significant level because we do have possible bullish divergence here if we actually do close at about 58% or even slightly lower, just not enough to actually beat this last low RSI reading here of about 27. Okay, something to be looking out for, because if Bitcoin dominance does get a bounce here, not as ideal for the altcoins for the short term being, at least. Okay. If Bitcoin dominance continues downwards, that's more ideal for the altcoins. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin here, on the weekly time frame has there still is bearish divergence playing out right now. So 2 consecutive higher highs, however 2 consecutive lower highs on the RSI. That's classic bearish divergence. A safe signal here that is done playing out here would be a higher high on the price action chart along with a higher high on the RSI. So the RSI reading to beat from the last high would be over 75 here to negate, or to actually tell me that this bearish divergence is done playing out. Monthly time frame here, we have been having bearish divergence for quite some time. If I do compare this high with this last high right here, however, still lower highs on the RSI. Has still yet to yield a red candle until now, but we are still very early into the month here, okay? Something to be watching out for and not lose track of, because look at the last few times where we did get into, where Bitcoin got into very overbought territory there, okay? Or with bearish divergence as well. Okay, so not something I will lose track of, because if Bitcoin does pull back, it could still have an effect on the altcoins as we have seen yesterday and possibly over and over again, okay? That bearish effect on the altcoins would be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. 3-day time frame here, we're currently at about, daily time frame here. So we have been supported by the daily 21 MA, the blue line. The next key support will be the daily 50 MA, the white line. Key resistance here will be about the 60K level. If that does not hold, it will be about the 62K level from past trading history. Let's go over to GRT and see what has gone on since last time. I'm going to go from the monthly time frame down to the daily. which I consider to be macro time frames, and see if we have any overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. Monthly time frame here, we don't have a reading, so let's move down to the weekly. Weekly time frame here, we're currently about 63, so not in overbought territory right now. 3-day time frame here, we're currently about 56, so not in overbought territory right now as well. But if the price action was to make a higher high on this time frame here, it does need to beat the last RSI reading of over 82 to negate bearish divergence coming from this high right here. Daily time frame here, we're currently about 51, and if the price action was to make a higher high here, it does need to beat the last RSI rating here of over 90 to negate bearish divergence. Let's take a look into what has gone on since last time. So since last time, I did see a breakout of this falling wedge pattern. Price action did break above the pattern here, and the measured target adjusted for this breakout point would be about $3.05 here. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance here would be the daily 50 MA, the white line right here. The 3-day 21 MA is right at about the price action right now. Okay, price action did break above it, got rejected at about the $2 level, all the way back down to below this $3.20 3-day 21 MA here. Okay, this moving average, and we close back below it. Right now, we're trying to get back above it. After this, it'll be about the $2 fit level area. Okay. And then I could refer to past trading history here for indicator of resistance. Okay, about $2.10 to $2.20. And then from this group of wicks right here, from about $2.40 to $2.60. And then finally one more here at about $2.90. Key support, daily 21 MA, which is right underneath this candle right now, the blue line. Fib $1.65 fib level area. If that does not hold, I could potentially be looking at this trend line here that we had just broken out of before the $1.35 fib level area, as I don't see any other major moving averages beneath this price action right now. So let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action continues its breakout, breaks above the first fall will be the 3-day 21 MA, get it close above the 3-day 21 MA. Staying above that, the next one will be the daily 50 MA. That will be the next key resistance. And then the $2 fib level area. Okay, so those are going to be some of the immediate key resistances relevant to this price action right now. Bullish case scenario, price action starts breaking on top of these key resistances again, and then going towards its measured targets, minding the other resistance levels I have pointed out from past trading history over here. Okay, that's the bullish case scenario. Bearish case scenario, if price action breaks and gets daily candle closes below this daily 21 MA, that will also take into consideration of breaking this $1.65 fib level area. The next support or key support I'll be looking at would potentially be a retest of this top trend line that we had just broken out of. Okay, if we actually do break that top trend line, the next level of key support I'll be looking at would be about the $1.35 fib level area and seeing if that holds. If that does not hold, the next one I potentially could be looking at would be about the $1.05 fib level area here. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you match your risk carefully, and if you'd like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.